Look at that. Boy, tell me something. All right, guys, you're looking for a really quick meal. I just got back from Costco. I gotta show you this one. It's a chicken stir fry that I like to make. What we're gonna use just chicken and one of these stir fries that you can get at Costco, okay? If you're at Costco, pick these up. This is gonna be a low carb option. If you don't wanna go low carb, you can use some type of rice if you want to, it's not a problem. However, I'm gonna go a little low carb on this. They come in these little packs. Cut them open, hit this pan with a little cooking oil. Add that in there. Look at that. See, spray the top of it a little bit. And on the chicken, these little packs, this is what I like to use. Grab you some of these guys right here. They're so easy to eat. Sometimes on the way home from Costco, I'm starving, and I'll actually just open one of these up and eat it. They're already cooked. Okay, so you can just open one up and eat it. Each one of these is coming in at 24 grams of protein. All right, so I'm gonna use 2 of these. If you don't have these, go ahead and just measure out 5 to 6 ounces of chicken breast or chicken thighs, whatever kind that you want. But these are amazing. They're great to have around really quick when you need to just grab something and go. If you need to take them to work, you just keep them in the fridge. Or you can just eat them in the vehicle. I eat these all the time. If I'm on the go, I need some quick protein, I'll grab me one of these. But basically all you're doing is you're just heating it up. So there's 2 packs in here. So this already comes with all the veggies and everything that you need in there, all right? Hopefully you can see that. What I'm gonna use is a sugar-free teriyaki. All right, I'm gonna use 1 tablespoon of that. I'm also gonna hit it with the sugar-free stir-fry sauce, okay? And then if you can get some, keep this in your fridge. Liquid aminos tastes just like soy sauce, all right? But I like using this. Liquid aminos, only use a little bit though. So put a little bit in there just to give it a little flavor, and then add some more as you need it because the flavor is very strong, all right? Let me shake it up actually. Shake it up, shake it up. This is a quick meal. I'm always looking for them quick meals because I don't have much time to be cooking. Woo, but it already smells good. Already smelling it. Hit it with the stir fry. Stir fry is a little thicker. Okay, watch out. It's gonna come out like that. Almost looks like barbecue sauce in there. Hit it with the stir fry. There it is. Once again, I use the sugar-free. Mix that in a little bit. And it's pretty much, I mean, it's already ready. The chicken's already ready. Like I said, I eat that chicken by itself all the time. It's a great option to have. If you're at Costco, get you a pack of those. They're so convenient. So this chicken's pretty much done. So I'm gonna go ahead and swap this over here on the big burner. No excuses, we're gonna eat healthy. We're gonna get lean. This is a great low carb option. Let me go ahead and just hit this just a little bit. I'm just gonna hit it a little bit, and then what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna taste it later, and then I'm gonna try it out. Hit it, so, man, it's already smelling so good. There it is. All right, so now what we're gonna do, it's almost too easy, guys. I'm telling you, add the chicken in there, mix it in, and that is it. That is it. This is a huge plate. All right, I'm gonna show you in just a second. Now on the stir fry, one pouch, 60 calories, 3 grams of fat, 8 grams of carbs, 2 grams of fiber, and 3 grams of protein, all right? So these are great, very convenient. Keep them around. Like I said, they just come in these little pouches. So, sorry about that. Come in these little pouches. Keep them, they're so easy. Just stick them in the freezer. They're ready to go no matter what. All right, so this is done. Let me show you here. We're all done here. Boy, it smells good. You cannot beat this. You can have this ready in minutes. Okay, the fried rice, the cauliflower rice, I guess I should say, takes 6 to 7 minutes to heat up. The chicken takes only a few minutes. Or you can literally just stick it in a microwave if you wanted to. Add that sauce in there. Look at this plate right here. Look at that. Boy, tell me something. 350 calories, 51 grams of protein, 6 carbs, and like 10 grams of fat, okay? Right there. That is lunch. That is dinner. That's a gigantic plate. Bunch of protein in there. It's gonna keep you full. You can put some crushed red pepper on the top. That's what I like to do as well. But guys, don't make this too hard. Let's keep eating healthy. Let's keep getting lean. Let's keep getting better. Like, subscribe if you like these videos. I'll keep making them, keep showing you what I eat, but I'm about to go tear this up. Let's go.